In this video, I'll show you how to install Java on Windows 11. Firstly, open the command prompt to check if Java is installed. Press Windows plus R, type cmd and hit enter. Type the following command like Java version, and if Java installed, you'll see the input like mixed mode, server VM or runtime environment. If it's not installed, you will see Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. So, visit the Java download page and click the JDK download link from the latest version. Under the Windows section, download 64 installer. Locate the downloaded file and double-click it to launch the installer. When prompted by the user account control, click Yes. In the installation wizard, click Next and select the destination. Wait for the installation to complete and click Close to finish the process when it's done. Now all you have to do is verify again that Java is installed by the first method I showed you in this video. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.